freelancers who'd rather work than chase payments. Create a professional invoice in 30 seconds. So the video you just watched was made entirely from this README. So here's how. HeyGen just released their MCP integration inside of Cursor, and when you add the MCP server, your agents now get access to video generation as a tool with avatars, voiceovers, and fully edited videos, all from within your workspace. So this is an example sauce app that I built called Billora. This is meant for freelancers to help them keep track of their invoices and following up with people. So here's a really simple prompt. Once you have the HeyGen MCP connected, all you need to do is something like this, where in the prompt I said, read my README and create a 30-second onboarding video using the video agent for Billora with an avatar presenter. Have a friendly founder tone aimed at freelancers seeing it for the first time. Pull the features and pricing from the README and end with start free at billora.app. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to send this through. So immediately here, after I sent in the prompt, it immediately noticed and recognized, hey, video agent, and it pulled the HeyGen MCP, and now it ran create the video agent session inside of HeyGen, and now it's going to pull it. There we go. Now it's creating the prompt, which it's calling the blueprint, and then it's going to send it through to generate. And so what I love about this is here, as you can see, it's saying wait for video assembly and then render. So what it's going to do is it's going to automatically start polling for the video, and once the video is complete, it'll give you the URL, and you'll be able to access it. So just from this one prompt, I'm going to go ahead and wait for this video to render, and then show you that final result. Alrighty, so here is the final video. Meet Billora, invoicing built for freelancers who'd rather work than chase payments. Create a professional invoice in 30 seconds, pick a client, add your line items, hit send. Your dashboard shows exactly what you're owed, and automatic reminders handle the awkward follow-ups for you. Clients pay straight from the invoice with one click. Spend your time on the work, not the paperwork. Start free at billora.app today. So that's the video, all made from a single prompt inside of the Cursor interface. I hope you guys are able to create some incredible stuff with the HeyGen MCP integration. If you guys have anything cool, add us on Twitter. We would love to see the stuff that you guys make. We hope you guys create some incredible content, and we'll see you later.